I am sorry is an important part of good manners. Apologizing shows that you take responsibility for your actions and respect others' feelings. A sincere apology should include three parts: admitting the mistake, expressing regret, and making things right. Avoid excuses, own up to your actions. A good apology can heal relationships and rebuild trust. Sometimes words are not enough. Showing change through actions matters too. Saying sorry doesn't make you weak, it shows maturity and strength. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel English with Noura.